Today at Ellwood Farm Machinery with a Case 885XL Super 2, fitted with a loader, good tyres, 3-point linkage, pickle pitch, PTO. It is road registered to go to the shops on. More good tyres in the cab. Seat for sitting on. That's it now. Lock the world away. Good loader. At the back, through the hole we can see 3-point linkage going up. Open the back window. The PTO going round. In the cab. Simple and easy to use, working handbrake. Good brakes, will stop you dead. The high box. Good visibility. You can see people sneaking up on you. Good turning circle. Going now. Ooh. Wow. What good brakes. Ooh. Obviously we've got reverse as well, which is always a handy feature. Wonderful. Stop the old there. And there she is, ready for you. Case 885XL Super 2. More information available at ellwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk and the Facebook page. Thank you very much.